Hi, how are you? Welcome to our company. This is Kungs Global, and nice to meet you again. So today we'll introduce you with some jute items of our trading business. So please welcome and sit. Here there are a lot more jute items, fabric category and yarn category. Buyers who are very much interested to know about the quality of yarn and fabric and the details about our business and our collection, welcome. Let me start to tell you which product we can offer you from Bangladesh. Actually, there are lots more definitions, lots more kind of products, and buyers have requirements, but in average which products are sold in Bangladesh or exported in Bangladesh, commonly we are showing these products. But if you have any special product or requirement, we can arrange it for you. So let me show you some product about yarn. You see, please come closer. You see, this is the most common yarn. Can you please come closer? More closer. More, please. You see, this is the most commonly used yarn item, jute yarn. So in local market, people who want to save costing and produce low cost products, they use it. This is very much available. Then the second quality is this one. This one is comfortably better, and all over Bangladesh or India, Pakistan, Nepal, everywhere is going this product. This is a overall quality product, and the third grade, this is the below, then better. This is BT1. This is called BT1. Globally, this is going from Bangladesh, and Brazil is taking so high quantity from Bangladesh. China also taking it from Bangladesh. And the color is comfortably better. You see, the color is comfortably better. Then there is another better one, this one. We collect this one very especially from the ground or field. Our people collect it from the field, and this is very special. After sorting, we found it, and the best quality is this one. You see the color. Can you please come closer more? You see the color and glaze. Can you see the glaze? This is the best ever jute in this world. This is the best ever jute, and this is not very largely available, but we can manage it. Our special team collect it from total Bangladesh, and mostly it comes from Faridpur district and Gopalganj district. From this area, Madaripur district, from this area we collect it, and our very specially trained team collect it. So commonly this is BT1 and BT2. These two are commonly going in market, and we can supply it very big quantity. We have no problem. Anytime you can call us for this item and we can supply it. You see, the best quality is here. You see the glaze. This is more than BT1, and the world's best jute is this. And you see the comparison, BT1 versus this item. This is BT1 and this is our best item. So the difference is so high, right? But world knows this one as BT1 and the best one, but this is our best one. Okay, So then let me show you some yarns. In commonly local market, this grade of yarn goes very commonly. I have shown you the very local quality. This quality comes in this yarn, this quality comes in this one, and you see the color, come more closer, you see the color. This is not a very good color, this is on kind of dust type color, but local market uses it in different LBS or different count. They use it, take it in local market. This is from a better one, the second grade. This is from better one. This is commonly sold in market very largely in domestic market and international market. Then you see, please again come closer. You see, these are the sticks from the jute paddy. These are the sticks. Normally Pertex company takes it from us. Different Pertex company, wood board, they takes it from us. So we also can export it. So you see, there are lots more yarn here, and buyers, as per buyers demand, we can make it as custom demand. Okay, so this one, you see the colors of it. Please again come closer. The color of the yarn is excellent. So we can supply it to you, so there is no problem to doing business with us. Anytime you can call us and take the price of our product and then justify the quality with sample. Also, you are welcome to visit our office so that you can physically see what is the difference here and take your required product. Okay, so thank you very much. Our contact is we are available in email, WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram or other apps by +88 01 8255 81451. Again I'm saying +88 01 8255 81451, and our website is www.khanj.com, and our email address is info@khanj.com. Okay, thank you very much. We must wait for your requirements, and our price is very competitive, and we offer excellent services with complete logistics and customs, so you can feel free to contact with us and business with us. Thank you very much.